Hello my dear friends, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine and keeping safe. As we all know, this is a time of deep trouble. The whole world is engulfed into the deadly coronavirus disease. This is an adverse time, we all know. The whole world has come to a lockdown. So many countries in the world are facing it. So is the same for our country also. Our country is also facing a lockdown, and so many organizations have come to a standstill. But my question is, can we afford a lockdown on our education? The answer is no, definitely not. The school buildings have been shut, but not the education. GD Goenka Public School Gaya has come up with online classes, and let me tell you my dear students, these online classes are having an overwhelming response by the students. My message is to those who are not taking it seriously. The students who are not taking it seriously, you should take it very seriously, as we are going to have our periodic test, and the marks which you secure in the periodic test are going to be added in your final promotions. So I would request you all to attend the online classes and don't give us the lame excuse that you do not have a mobile phone, you do not have proper internet connection or a laptop or things like that. These are the barriers in your growth. As we all know, student life is a life when we hone our skills, when we hone our talents, and we take up to the greatest extent. So we should take it very seriously, and I hope that those who are not attending the online classes shall be attending it. It is my request to the parents as well to see that their wards are very serious in attending the online classes. Thank you.
During this period of lockdown, GD Goenka School has made sure that learning should take place even when the school building has been shut. The teachers are trying their level best to be as creative as possible even during the online classes. So I would like to request all the parents, please motivate your children to attend the online classes regularly and kindly ask them to prepare for the online assessment that is scheduled to be conducted from 18th of May. Thank you.
Dear students, it's now a well-known fact that we cannot just idle away in this crucial time. We have to shoulder our responsibilities and duties towards the mankind. We need to remember that everyone has to play his role, and you, the future of world, are very important. Education is only weapon to safeguard the future. Classroom teaching hardly matters. What matters the most is learning. You must not be deprived of education under any circumstances. For this, online classes are going on. It is the only means we have at this tough time. Someday we will back to the normal education life. Therefore, I strongly advise you all to attend the online class without any excuse. Thank you everyone.
The Goenkan team we decided to give online video classes to the students of our school, and the response was really very good from the parents as well as the students. But still there are few students, those who are not attending or they are unable to connect the online classes. So through this video I would like to convey a message to those students that as soon as possible join all the classes that are scheduled for you every day. The link is being sent to the WhatsApp numbers as well as it is being uploaded in the school website every day. I would also like to thank all the parents for their kind cooperation, as well as I would ask them to make their students learn the importance of learning during these lockdowns, because that is very important for them.
It has been observed that many students are not taking online classes seriously, and probably their parents are also not asking them to join the online class. We Goenkan teachers are working really hard so that your time must not be squandered. Hereby, we solicit you to join the class on Zoom platform with us. Let me tell you one fact. Facts suggest that a normal human being spend 4 to 5 hours per day using phone. We waste that time using phone. So we cannot give just 2 to 3 hours for our benefit. Think over it.